Meaning of Ku Klux Klan.
Ku Klux Klan.
Ku Klux Klan.
Ku Klux Klan.
Ku Klux Klan. The Ku Klux Klan, often abbreviated as the KKK, is a white supremacist hate group that has a long and controversial history in the United States. The name Ku Klux Klan comes from the Greek word kyklos, which means circle, and the English word clan. The organization was founded in 1865 and has been associated with violence and intimidation tactics, particularly against African Americans, but also against other minority groups such as Jewish people and immigrants. Although the group has been diminished in recent decades, it still exists in some form today.